Let's start. Today we will see how to implement logs in the TradingView Pine script. Logs could be useful for debugging a Pine script code. There are three types of logs in the Pine script: info, warning, and error. Let's see how to use the logs. This is an indicator function with the name log. First, I have created a condition for which I want to print some log. Here I am checking if the current candle's close is higher than its open or not. In short, I am checking if the current candle is green or not. If the candle is green, then I have used the log.warning function. The first argument of this function is the log message. The message says that this candle is bullish. Then I have written two numbers, 0 and 1, in curly braces. These numbers act as a placeholder and will print whatever we pass into them. The second and third arguments of this warning function are open and close values. So basically, we are passing the open and close values of the candle in the warning message, and 0 and 1 written in the curly braces will catch those open-close values and print them inside the message body. Similarly, I have checked if the close value of a candle is lower than its open or not. In short, I am checking if the candle is of red color or not. If the candle is of red color, then I have used the log.error function. The first argument of this function is the log message. And the second and third arguments are the data to be passed into the log message. Similarly, here, I am checking if the current candle is the latest candle on the chart or not. If yes, then I have used the log.info function. Remember an important point that these warning, error, and info functions can take any number of arguments in them. And passing the data is not compulsory. You could just use the first message argument without passing any data in it. Let's add this indicator to the chart. Now, click this More button. Click the Pine Logs option. Here you can see that, as the candles form, we see such various logs. This red log is of this last red bar. We can see the open and close values of the bar printed in the log. At the same time, when that bar was live, that was the latest bar on the chart. So this info log is also printed here in white color. Similarly, this yellow log is of the green candle. And since that bar was the latest bar until now, we can see an info log in white color. When this current bar closes, we will see either a yellow or red log depending on the bar color. And also we will see a white-colored info log. So that's it. That's how you can use the log in TradingView Pine script. Thank you.